ಓಂ ಮಹಾಹಸ್ತಿ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇನ ವಿದ್ಮಾಹಿ ತ್ವಾ ವಿಕೂರ್ಮಿಂ ವಿದೇಷ್ಣಂ ವಿಮಘಂ ವಿಮಾತ್ರಮೋಭಿಃ. This mantra, it is from Rigveda Ganapati Suktam. Mahaganapati is adored and worshipped in this Bhadrapada Masa Shukla Paksha Chaturthi. We have Panchadevata philosophy, Tattva. It is called Pancha Ayatana. Ayatana means abode. 5 type of abode. For 5 type of achievements. For our successful journey, irrespective of their caste, creed, gender, etc., etc. Those deities, they are called Pancha Ayatanani. That is Surya, Ganapati, Durga, Vishnu and Shiva. These are all very tangible manifestations of Parabrahman. जो ब्रह्म वस्तु है, सर्वव्याप्त, सर्वज्ञ, सर्वशक्त, इसके मैनिफेस्टेड फॉर्म, टैंजिबल फॉर्म, व्यक्त स्वरूप, यह पंचविध, इस तरह आद्य शंकराचार्य ने हम सब के लिए, सुविधा के लिए, फॉर कन्वीनियंस ऑफ आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड आवर मोड ऑफ वर्शिप एंड उपासना, he portrayed this philosophy. We want health, it is by Suryopasana. We want Dakshina Buddhi Shakti, that means SQ, EQ, IQ. It is called Dakshina Buddhi, Mahahasti Dakshinena. So this part, Munda, upper portion, it must be like Hasti. Hasti means elephant. So it will have very Sukshma Drishti, and elephant is very much recognized and considered as very brilliant among all animals. And Dakshina means it is positive part of our brain. Vama part, Dakshina part. So Dakshinana, that word is used in Rigveda. So Buddhi Shakti it is. So for Buddhi Shakti and Siddhi Shakti and for Prasiddhi, it is Mahaganapati Puja in this month. And after that, Sharan Navaratri, it is Durga. It is for Vidya Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti. For that, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati. Like that, for Moksha, it is Shiman Narayana. For Yoga, it is Shiva Shakti. If these Shaktis are there in our personality, highest rating of success is guaranteed. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿತೆಯ ಪರಾಕಾಷ್ಠೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿನಮ್ರ ಸಾಧಕರಾಗುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿಯ ಅರ್ಚನೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಫಲ ಇದು. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಜನರು ವಿಘ್ನ ಗಣಪತಿ, ವಿಘ್ನಹರ್ತ, ವಿಘ್ನಕರ್ತ ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಅಥರ್ವ ವೇದದ ಗಣಪತಿ ಅಥರ್ವ ಶೀರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ವಿಸ್ತೃತವಾಗಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪುರಾಣವೇ ಇದೆ, ಗಣೇಶ ಪುರಾಣವಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾನಗಳು, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ವಿವಿಧ ಛಾಯೆಗಳು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಗಿವೆ. ಇಂಥ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿಯ ಅರ್ಚನೆಯ ವಂದನೆಯ ಕಾಲ ಸನಿಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 7ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು 7th of this month. So as pretext for that, for preparation for that excellent mode of celebrity and celebration, now we chant, recite Ganapati Panchakam, Ganesha Panchakam now.
Namaste everyone. For the upcoming event of Ganesha Chaturthi with Guruji, Acharya ji and all the elders' blessings, we start learning Shri Ganesha Pancharatna Stotram. Repeat after me twice. Mudakarattamodakam सदा विमुक्ति साधकम् कलाधरावतंसकम् विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकम् विनाशिते भदैत्यकम् नताशुभाशुनाशकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकम् कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकम् नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue.
As we prepare ourselves for the Ganesh festival, as Acharya ji and ma'am has made us aware of the importance of the Ganesh festival, today we have a very special guest. He is no stranger to us. He is the managing director of Ayush TV, Shri Hari Krishnan sir. We are very happy to welcome you. As I mentioned, Ayush TV is no stranger to us. With their countless viewership, they are doing human service in propagating the Indian culture, and they have been championing and propagating even Yasvyasa and all its activities in so many ways. In fact, as he was just now mentioning to me, Ayush TV is awarding the Lifetime Achievement Award to our dear Guruji on 21st. and then many more things in the offing. So we welcome you all, sir. And they have taken upon themselves the responsibility of propagating the yogic culture which S. Vyasa has been doing for human service, which it is doing to the society under the stewardship of Guruji and all the elders here. So we thank you, sir, for all the publicity and all the viewership which you are giving to all of us.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mahi Gupta, here to announce the students who have brought laurels to the School of Yoga and Naturopathic Medicine at Vellore on the event of Synapse 2024. I'd like to call upon all the winners on the stage as I mention them. For hairdressing competition, the first prize goes to Drishya. The second prize goes to Satya. I'd like to call upon Guruji and the registrar to come and give them the trophies. Acharya ji as well. The guests.
Next, stay back for a group photo.
For fireless cooking competition, the first prize goes to Jayaswarna and Yamini. Winners stay back on the stage for a group photo. Second prize goes to Aishwarya and Deekshita. For Mehendi competition, the first prize goes to Kavanna. Second prize to Aishwarya Rathod. For Rangoli competition, the first prize goes to Aishwarya Rathod and Akshata.
Wait, let her come. No. One more. Nani. She's there. Aishwarya Rathod is there. She came now.
For face painting, the first prize goes to Lavanya. Success is not measured by winning or losing, but by the courage to participate, to strive, and to give your best effort. So let's give it up for all the participants who had participated at the Vellore Synapse 2024. All the winners, please assemble for the group picture.
शांति मंत्र सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ